Welcome back. We have a live look for you right now outside at Cayucos State Beach. You can see that it's a little active out there along the coastlines right now. We're going to notice this throughout most of the Central Coast today in our beaches because we do have a beach hazard statement in effect through tomorrow, and I'll give you more details on that in a minute. But first, let's take a look at some of those pictures we got last night after that eclipse. It was absolutely amazing. I didn't get to see it. I live streamed it, but we're going to show you some of those pictures here that were sent to us using that hashtag #BeOnKSBY. And if you have any pictures that you haven't had an opportunity to share yet, all you have to do is use that hashtag. It's right here at the top of your screen. Share it on Twitter, Facebook, or even on Instagram. A look at your satellite radar right now shows that we are going to see some partly cloudy skies as we head into the rest of today. But I was talking about the beach hazard statement. That's in effect through tomorrow morning. Elevated surf anywhere from 6 to 9 feet. High tides will be from about 6.5 to 7 feet, and they will peak between 9 and 10 o'clock this morning and tomorrow morning. Wind advisory impacting Santa Barbara County. Let's take a look at that. So for the mountains, the wind gusts could be up to about 50 miles per hour. For the south coast, up to about 45 miles per hour. And then when it's not gusty, winds ranging anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour. And that's also in effect through tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. Here's a look at that wind forecast for you right now. Going to be a little bit breezy as we head into that 8 o'clock hour. Winds slightly taper off as we go into this afternoon. Then they'll pick up a little bit more for areas along the south coast later tonight. And your current conditions outside, mid-40s for Solvang. That also goes for San Luis Obispo. Low 50s in Santa Barbara right now, 49 in Santa Maria, and still pretty chilly in Paso Robles at 37 degrees. So microclimate model here shows, again, partly cloudy skies, and any of that rain that we had from last night, it's officially leaving the area by later this morning. And then we're going to see some clearing as we head into later this evening. Taking a look at Northern California, you can see where that storm was coming from. Conditions are also starting to clear up there as well. Daytime highs definitely a little bit on the cooler side today. We're going to be mostly in the mid to upper 50s for our interior valleys. Coastal valleys and beaches, certain areas could be in the upper 50s, other areas in about the mid 60s. So if you take a look here, 59 degrees in the forecast for Rio Grande, 60 degrees for Pismo Beach, 59 in Los Osos, upper 50s today along the north coast. That carries over into Atascadero as well as Avila Beach. Scott, back to you.
Thanks, Brooke.